Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I bought a new toy and I am so excited to share with you guys. I purchased a grill. I've been looking for one to put on my deck. I wasn't sure whether or not I would put it on the deck or put it out back, but decided that I was going to put it on the deck, which meant that it had to adhere to certain standards, I guess. So I got it from IKEA. That's one of my favorite stores, as you guys already know. So I purchased it and it has 2 shelves already. Once I show you how everything looks, it has 2 shelves so you can store things underneath the grill when it's not in use. And the grill itself kind of sits on a steel surface. So that's one of the things that I really liked about it. No, this video is not sponsored by IKEA. I just, when I was doing my research, I noticed that there weren't a lot of videos out about the grill. I don't know if it's fairly new. I think they redesigned it because I did find one video from a few years back where someone was actually using the grill and grilled on it, grilled some food on it, and it worked out okay. But the grill looked a little different. So this one, I don't know if they redesigned it. But nevertheless, I wanted to kind of take you guys on the journey. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It really means a lot. If you remember to please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification on when I produce new content. I promise you guys I'm going to try and be a little more consistent with doing so. So again, just stay tuned as I unbox this and you'll see me put this together and just kind of place it out on my deck. The new deck. Thank you. You guys showed me so much love on that video. I really appreciate it. So again, stay tuned and hope you enjoy this content. So guys, this is the grill. This is the box. It's called GRILLSKAR. Again, it's from IKEA. So I'm going to, I think it's too heavy. It's actually sitting in my living room. So what I'm going to do is just kind of take it out on the deck and put it together in pieces. So this comes in 5 pieces. This is the legs and the support, and then you have 2 shelves here. So, and this is the main part that sits on top of this is the top shelf with the grill. So I'm going to attempt to put this together. So stay tuned. So here I am screwing in the bottom adjustable feet to the side support, the frame. This is going to attach to the base of the grill. So now I'm taking out the inside pieces, the grill grate, charcoal grate, and the ashtray. Although this was listed as a second step, I would suggest waiting until after you've turned the grill upright. Once, after you assemble the legs and side supports, because once I turned it on its back, that lid, the grill hood, there's no way to snap it shut. So what ended up happening was all those pieces that I carefully placed in, they opened up. So yeah, I would suggest doing this as your last step. Grilling is one of my favorite pastimes, especially during the summer months. Let me know in the comments below if it's a favorite of yours as well. Also, sound off in the comments below. I'm curious to see how many of you prefer a gas grill over charcoal. I am a charcoal fan all day. Just curious. I love the flavors that the charcoal emits, in the food, and you can add mesquite chips and things like that. So many varieties of infused charcoal nowadays. Just let me know what you prefer. Now I'm assembling the first of 4 of the side support legs, and I'm attaching them directly to the base of the grill. I also like the fact that the grill came with its own assembly tool. It's a little small, I think it's called an Allen wrench. It made the assembly go much faster. After securing the 2 legs to the bottom of the grill, the next step is to secure the bottom shelf to the 2 legs. To be honest, I could have used an extra hand at this step, but I managed to make it work. Once I attached the shelf to the bottom frame leg on the first one, the other one was a little easier to maneuver. Now I'm attaching the other 2 legs to the bottom of the shelf as well as the bottom of the grill frame. I'd like to take the time to thank you guys for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I post new content. What I am installing now is the first of the 2 side supports. They actually hold the second shelf in place. And now on to the other side. This shelf was a little tricky to put in. I had to lean it at a 45-degree angle in order to get it underneath, and then I slid it slowly, and there are 2 grooves on either side in order to lock the shelf in place. So guys, here it is in all of its glory. It's pretty sturdy. I really like it. Here's the tray for the ashes, the charcoal ashes. They pull out. I like that, so it doesn't go all over the place. And of course, the grill grate, and then the grate for the charcoal. So I'm gonna put this bad boy to the test. I'm gonna grill some burgers, and I'll let you know how it turns out. My favorite pastime, grilling my homemade turkey burgers. Overall, I'm very pleased with my purchase. This is a pretty decent grill thus far. It holds its temperature pretty well. It has a thermometer, and the thermometer seems pretty accurate. And it wasn't that difficult to put together. Definitely a 2-man lift initially because you have to get everything in, but otherwise a great buy. And there it is in its new home on my deck. Thanks for watching.